Okay, think about spelling. What do you do? Supposing you had to write a word like protein and for some reason you had a block or whatever reason, any word, I'll just to give an example. So what you tend to do is, because your brain has seen it, so you'll go I'm just going to protein, I before E, except after C, but it doesn't look right, protein. And what your brain is doing, that looks right. So as you're going to write something, first of all, you're thinking, how do I spell it? I can't remember. So you'll try different options that work with orthography. I mean, they work with, none of this, you didn't put an S in it or something, which represents sh or s or z, because you got a good understanding of mapping to phonemes to graphemes. But what you do is you do this. So that's the same as the children. So that's why we want them reading a lot of books or looking at a lot of books, because let's say witch. So let's have a look at, they've been looking at or reading a book about witches. Even if they can't decode it all themselves, they've seen the words and we map the words with them. So we'll say, oh, this is the word witch. Witch, 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 witch. Which. So even if this is not a representation that we're looking at in phonics, it's really important when you're looking at authentic text, you're looking at real books, reading stories together, that you just pick out a few words that might not align with your phonics instruction. Just pick out a few words, duckhand lines and numbers, always duckhand lines and numbers. The reason that's valuable is because if they've got good phonemic awareness, they're going to retain that by only doing that a couple of times, only saying it 1, 2 or 3 times. If they've got good phonemic awareness, that's key. But this is why the spelling clouds are so important, because even if when they're going to spell the word, so they want to spell the word witch, and let's say they've gone witch in their writing, you might say to them, can you just code that, map that for me? And what that means is they'll go duckhands, lines, numbers, witch, 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 and then you'll say number 3, that is a representation, that is a sound picture for ch, but not in this word. So that's why we need the spelling clouds, one of the reasons, because what they can do there is they can go straight to the ch, because they're not blinded by the letters. They know the monster just represents the sound they're thinking of is ch, so they go straight there. And then they go straight there. Yes, that is the common one. That's why they chose that one. But in this word, it's going to be a different one. Okay, so it's not that one. Of course, it's, it's plastic laminate. They can write on it. Oh, where's my rubber? Sorry, doing my fingers. So they know it's not going to be that one. Okay, what could it be? So they could, well, they know it's not. They'll say, oh, no, it's not that one. I know it's not that. I know it's not, I know it's not that. That would be wit. Okay, there you go. Must be that one. Witch, witch. But as soon as they do that, they'll go, oh yes, no, ping, 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 ping. And they know because they've seen it before in the book. Now, nobody else is doing this. They will be in about 5-10 years, but no one else is doing this. Everybody is tending to do print to speech. So if you can't decode it, you don't get it, or they're looking at just the words and they never explore it. What we're doing is we're working on the reading brain. So please, you need one of these A3 posters on a table. So that's, 5 per class, if you like. Ideally, every child has them, but or has a portable one, which is so easy to find. Let's see that ch. Where's the ch? Where's the ch? Well, I know the ch is next to the sh. There's the ch, and there it is. So a lot of schools have these on their book lists for children. They carry them around everywhere because they're writing all the time. But these A3 plastic laminate posters are brilliant because they're indestructible. I have seen children chew on them. They're indestructible. They've got all the chants at the back. So they've got the common ones that we're looking at. So cheese, ship, ship, etc. And they can write on them. So if it was a particular word they were looking at, they could write it on here.